The Zodiac was a serial killer who had been active in the San Francisco Bay Area from the late 1960s until at least the 1970s. Famous especially, however, he became for the many provocative letters and cipher codes that he sent during this time frame to the Bay Area press. Most intriguing among those is Zodiac's 340 cipher, which was received by the San Francisco Chronicle on November 8, 1969, and which until today has never been solved. We found out that this is the case, because nobody has ever managed to reveal the actual anatomy of the 340 cipher, which seems to resemble much that of Fort Knox with its multiple security layers. This Fort Knox-like anatomy of the 340 cipher might in fact have been given away by the Zodiac himself with his 13 holes card. If this card is indeed of the Zodiac's hand, then the letters F and K in the text FK, I'm crackproof, could well refer to Fort Knox. In this video, we will dismantle the first layer of the Zodiac's 340 cipher, the arrangement of the columns. Yes, indeed, we believe that we can prove that the 340 cipher has to be rearranged. To determine how, exactly, we need to take a close look at the dripping pen card that the San Francisco Chronicle received together with the 340 cipher on November 8, 1969. Here on the right, we see the back of this card, together with a small thumbnail of its front. More specifically, we are going to take a look at this area here. The text in this area reads, "Do my thing," followed by 6 exclamation marks with dots and a vertical dash underneath. This is followed by abbreviations of the months December, July, August, September, and October, in which December has been abbreviated with an S. The text ends with an equals sign and a 7. Let's start with the exclamation marks. Underneath these, there is a set of 2 fat dots on the left, next to each other, a triangle of 3 lean dots in the middle, and 1 vertical dash on the right. This, as we will show you, means that the columns 1, 2, and 3 must be reshuffled towards 2, 3, 1. Now, take a look at the abbreviated months. Reading from right to left, and from top to bottom, we read December, July, August, September, and October respectively. As December is the 12th month in the year, this would logically represent the following column arrangement: 12, 7, 8, 9, 10. Considering that the abbreviated months are positioned, on Zodiac's dripping pen card, behind the exclamation marks, these columns should follow the columns 2, 3 and 1. This column sequence, however, led to nothing. We then looked at the equals 7 hint behind the abbreviation of October, which seems to suggest that October does not equal 10, but 7. Because of this, we reduced all month numbers with 3, which provide a column sequence of 2, 3, 1, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7. This also led to nothing. We tried various sequences. What finally did lead to something was the drawing on page 6 of Zodiac's 7-page bus bomb letter, which the San Francisco Chronicle received, one day after the 340 cipher, and the dripping pen card. The drawing on this page represents Zodiac's familiar symbol, a circle, with a cross, resembling an eyesight. Unlike usual, this circle contains 5 little crosses. When projecting the original month numbers that we found on the dripping pen card, on these little crosses, the drawing seems to resemble a clock, turned upside down. Because of the equals 7 hint, however, we need to correct the month numbers with -3, which means that we have to move all the positions 3 clicks, clockwise. The following horizontally oriented sequence appears: 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, which means that after the columns 2, 3, and 1 that we found with the exclamation marks, we should place the columns 9, 7, 6, 5, and 4 respectively. So, let's make a start with rearranging the 340 cipher, based on that knowledge. We select the columns found so far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, we put all of the rest up front, and then distribute the selected columns behind it, according to the found arrangement. Now, watch this. The remaining columns contain all the letters of the remaining text, which is do my thing, with the I being consisting of two fat dots above each other, mimicking thereby the dripping pen card. Importantly, there is only one way to distribute these letters evenly and over all the columns. Now, we only need to put this in the right order, so as to complete the correct arrangement of all the columns in the 340 cipher. A column sequence of 16, 17, 14, 11, 13, 12, 10, 8, 15 appears. In this video, we have shown that the 17 columns in the Zodiac's 340 cipher need to be rearranged according to the following order: 16, 17, 14, 11, 13, 12, 10, 8, 15, 2, 3, 1, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4. In our next video we will present how to arrange the Zodiac's 340 cipher rows. Do not forget to subscribe if you do not want to miss out on the remaining videos on our 340 cipher solution.